Dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Vulnhub, which is Djinn1. Yeah, I'd like to say at this point I prefer Vulnhub to the Tryhackme or Hackthebox in terms of the enumeration speed. You know, when we do the machines on the Hackthebox or the Tryhackme, usually it will take a very long time to make enumeration. So anyway, today I'd like to do the machine on the Vulnhub. Before we start today's journey, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. To save time, I've already imported this machine into the VirtualBox, and then I started both Kali Linux and this machine or the target. Now we can switch over or into the Kali Linux. Yeah, I use the NetDiscover utility to discover the IP address of the target as 254. Then I did the map scanning with the usual options like scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan, and also the comprehensive scan, and output the result into this file. So from the map scanning results, as you can see over here, the several open ports. The first one is 21, which is running FTP, and also the version information. Later we can check whether this version of FTP service has vulnerability. The next one, the status is filtered. And the third one is 1337. However, the service is not clear at this moment. And next, the last one is 7331, and also the version information, I think, which is running Python at the background. So what we are going to do next, I think the first thing we can check is we use the search sprite utility to check whether this version has vulnerability or not. So we can use the search sprite. Let's press enter. No results except the DOS or denial of service. Of course, this is not what we are interested in at this point. So then what we are going to do next, maybe we need to, as I mentioned in the other video, if the target has a service running like file sharing service, for example, like FTP service, the Samba service, such service should become the first choice to enumerate. So now let's do it now. And put the IP address of target, and the username we can use anonymous. Leave blank as a password field so we can list files. The 3 text file, and then we can get down, or we can use the mget to download all files. All right, and also we can check whether we can navigate across the different directories. For example, like navigate to home directory, however, failed to do that. So now we can quit from the FTP. And then we can list files, what we've got from the target. We can cut out the creds. So this is some sort of I think this should be the username and password. And also the game. I forgot to tell you, I've set up a game for you on port 1337. This is some sort of a game. See if you can reach to the final level and get the prize. And also we can get the message. I think this message didn't or doesn't reveal any useful information. So now maybe we can, although we have already got the username and the password, however, we don't know where to use these credentials because the SSH service is not running or filled. Maybe. So what are we going to do next? Maybe now we can connect to this port number to see what it's about, because the author has set up the game for us. We can use the telnet, press enter. We need to do some game. You answer my questions 1,000 times and I'll give you your gift. 6 minus 1. Of course, this should be 5. And 6 multiplied by 3. Of course, I don't want to spend or waste time. Maybe it'll take a very long time to answer 1,000 questions. And so I'd like to quit from this port number. What else we can do? Now I think the only left port number we don't enumerate yet is this one. So I think this one is HTTP service, so we can use the browser to make manual enumeration. And the port number. We got the page back from the target. Let's see how good you are, of course. No problem. And the first we can do is to check the source code of this page. But nothing there or nothing interesting here. Next, we can check whether this site has robots file. But not found. Next, we can use the link tool to do some enumeration, right? Let's press enter. Link tool can review some important information, which includes like misconfigurations, the vulnerability information in some case, and also will enumerate out some common files or directories. Although, the inbuilt dictionary is a bit small. So nothing interesting we can get from Nicto. Then we can use the GoBuster to do the directory brute forcing. Let's press enter. Sorry, I need to change the URL. Let's hit enter again. For me, the most favorite tool for the directory enumeration is GoBuster. Of course, however, we cannot rely on the single tool for anything. Sometimes we need to combine different tools or techniques. So we just wait for this to be completed to see whether we can find out some interesting files or directories. All right, the GoBuster has discovered one interesting directory, which is Wish. It's a bit funny, right? Not funny. We need to have the Wish. And the Wish, apparently, this gives us to execute the command, for example, like ID. Let's submit. We got error 403. And also we can check the source code. So I think this error code is some sort of the the misinformation or misleading information, because we got the page back. Although the content is error 403, this error is forbidden. Turn back now. And if you take a closer look at this URL, we actually got the result back. The ID, which is www data. So in other words, we can execute command. It's so obvious that the next step should be to get the reverse shell, right? So now we can go back and we can set up the listener. I'd like to quit from the directory enumeration. We can set up the listener. And then we can run, for example, I have already prepared this reverse shell command. Of course, it will be very easy to get such reverse shell command from the website like Pentestmonkey. Like this one. So we can make a copy of this reverse shell command and then go back to the browser and paste it in here and let's submit. I think from here, from the URL or in the address bar, we can know, we get the error back, the wrong choice of words, which means that the target has some sort of the filtering, right? So we need to bypass the such filtering. And the one way, which is also common practice to bypass such filtering, is to encode our reverse shell command. Let's do it now. So maybe I can open up a new tab and navigate to our working directory, and we can echo and we can copy this reverse shell command and paste it in here and tunnel to base 64. We have already encoded the reverse shell command here, and then we can copy this encoded command and go back to this wish function. Let's remove, and then we can echo, and then we need to tunnel to the base 64 and with option of D, which means decode, and then need to do the furthermore tunnel to the bash. Let's submit. It looks like this reverse shell command is working. Now go back to our terminal. As you can see, we have already got the shell, and we can make it to be better shell, and then we can Python. This is a very standard practice. Make sure we use very normal shell. pty module bin bash. Then next, what we are going to do next is to do some local enumeration, and for the lateral movement, or even can escalate the privilege to root user. First, we can do some local enumeration. The two normal users. The first one is nitish. Let's list files, and we can get the user flag. However, permission denied. And also we can cut out the bash history, the permission denied as well. And there is another directory which is dev. We can go inside this directory. We have permission, and we can cut out this creds. Of course, this should be the credentials for this user nitish. So then we can switch our shell to this user, right? Nitish. And let's copy this password and paste in here. Now we have already successfully switched the shell to the user. The current user is Litish. And then I think we can retrieve the user flag without any problem. And also we can cut out the bash. Permission denied. Yeah, any root user can read this bash history file. So yeah, it's fine. So now we can do the privilege escalation, right? We can check. The first thing we need to check is sudo. Yeah, we can run the command, the sudo, to make a lateral movement to this user Sam. And we can go to this website. We can go to the GTF opens. Djinn sudo. So we can just copy this command. And now we can sudo specify the username as Sam. And then let's paste in here. However, it's not working. Pass your wish to God. So I think this Djinn is custom script, not standard one. Maybe we can manually review this command. Sudo Sam Djinn. Yeah, here we got error, and also at the same time we get the usage, and we can use the main command to get the help of this command. Yeah, we can Djinn make a wish, yeah, which is so wonderful. Would complete all your wishes, even the naughty ones. And so we can run the shell. Yeah, well, who doesn't love those? You can get a shell like this one. But as I did the machine the first time, this one is not working at all. However, also this one, CMD. Yeah, you know, sometimes all you knew is damn CMD. Windows, I love you. Let's quit. So now let's run it again. Same user being Djinn, and we can use the command. Should be this one, Bing, to see whether this can work. Yeah, we need to provide the required argument. So we just make a copy. So this one, for example, I can put like ID. Yeah, temporarily failure in name resolution. All right. So ping. So this way we need to use other option. Sudo Sam user being Djinn and CMD. For example, run the ID. As you can see, now we have already changed to the Sam, and we can spawn the bash. And now we can cut out the user flag. Oh, we have already got the user flag. We do not need to do that again. Next, we need to make the final escalation to the root user. Similarly, we can check the sudo. Yeah, we can run this command to get our privilege escalated. And this one is not a standard Linux command. So we need to check to see what this command or binary. Maybe we can use, can I use the file command? Yeah, file root lack nago. So file nago. I don't have the password for the same user. So we just simply run this command to see what it's about, right? Let's press enter. Yeah, what do you want to do? Be naughty? Maybe I can naughty. Working on it. Sudo Lego. Yeah, I select the second choice. Yeah, choose number between 1 to 100. Maybe I choose 0. The better luck next time. Loot Lego. So we just input the num. As you can see, we have already, this is not very easy to do, to find this vulnerability or this entry to escalate our privilege, to be honest. Now we can navigate to root directory, and then we can cut out the root flag here. All right, so that's pretty much it. I hope you can enjoy maybe a little bit, which is fine. And I'd like to see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.